Now we are going to talk about Boole. This is very important thing whenever it's come to modeling. Now let's create one cube over here and I'll name this cube as A like this, and then we will create another cube, hit enter, and let's call it as B like this. And for this B, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do some changes like size. I'm going to choose, let's say, 225, size Y 225, and size Z also 225. And now what I'm gonna do, I'll go to the front view and I'll select this and I'll move this over here. So if you see, this is my A and this is my B, and to recognize that, let's create one material. If you want to ever create material, all you need to do, simply double click over here. You can go inside this and you can choose RGB mode and you can choose whatever color you want. Like I will choose this color for this A and I'll simply apply this to this. Then again double click to create another and I'll choose this one for this B. And now we will enable our Boole over here. Now I'll select this A and I'll move inside this Boole. Then I'll select this B and I'll move inside this Boole. And if you see over here, now we will get some subtraction. So what happens over here, if you select this Boole and if you go to the boolean type, now it's saying there's A subtract B. Now this B subtract from this A. If I select this B and if I change the position of it, as you guys can see, it will subtract that much portion from A where it's present like this. And if you go to the Boole and you choose, let's say, A intersect B, so now what is going to happen, this A is a affecting this B. So now only that much portion should be is going to be visible wherever the A is present. If I select this B and if I move this out of this thing, as you guys can see, we cannot see this B because it will cover only portion wherever our A is there. Okay, then again you will get something like A union B. Now how to understand, you must be confused that what's the use of it, because like that, if I select this A and B and if I move out of this thing, now as you guys can see, these are two separate objects. You can see we can move that. But if I see select both of them and move inside this Boole, now you will find this edges over here. This is because now they are acting like a one object inside that. So that's why it's A union B. And if you use A without B, then as you guys can see, we will get null over here. Like if you see, we choose, whenever we choose A subtract B, it will give you this kind of white kind of structure over here because it's subtracting from it. But there is a difference between subtraction and A without B because we are gonna be null inside from this. So yep, that's the use of Boole, which this portion is very useful whenever it comes to hard surface modeling or any other modeling.